Hi, this is Steve Davis again over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Investor Tip Tuesday. The tip today is don't retire from something, retire to something. A lot of people retire and they don't really have anything to do. They think, well, I'm gonna play golf, I'm gonna fish, I'm just gonna relax. I gotta tell you something, that gets old quick. I retired twice so far and went back to work both times. The life expectancy of a white male in retirement, 3 years. Retirement is really not the goal. You want to retire to something. See, happiness is a direct result of your service to other people. If you're not out there helping and serving other people, you're going to begin to wonder why you're even here. Happiness comes from helping and serving other people. You don't want to retire from something. You want to retire to something. Maybe it's a charity. Maybe it's a job that you've always wanted to have but couldn't because it didn't pay well. Be cautious of retirement. It's not what it's cracked up to be. In fact, I joke a lot about the fact that I believe retirement sucks. For me, it did, and it probably will for you too. Find a purpose for your life. It'll allow you to be happier and live longer. That's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.